Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to use DeepSeek AI. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then on the searching bar, search for deepseek.com. Once you land on the home page, there you will see Start Now option. Tap on it to continue. Now, if you have already signed up to DeepSeek, then simply type your email address and password and hit on login button. But if you haven't signed up yet, then hit on the sign up button right there. Now, enter your email address, hit a strong password, then you have to retype the password to confirm it, and a verification code is sent to your email address. You have to check it to your Google Mail. Copy that code and go back to the DeepSeek sign up form and paste it over there. At last, you have to just hit on sign up button and then you have successfully signed up to DeepSeek AI. Now here you can see homepage of DeepSeek. At the left side, you will see all of the history of your chat. At the middle of the page, you will see a message box where you have to give the DeepSeek clear instruction. You have to write the exact prompt that you want as an answer and then hit on the arrow button and then DeepSeek will give you the answer. If you want to have a new chat, then simply hit on the new chat option available there and then you are good to go. At the bottom left corner, you will see my profile option. If you hit on that, then you can edit your profile. You can log out from here. You can also go through the settings to change any format of DeepSeek. As you can see, under general, you can change either language or theme. If you go to the profile, then you can change your email address, you can delete all of your chats, you can even delete the account. You just have to hit on the delete option. If you go through the about, then there you will have all of the terms and policies of DeepSeek. And that was it. In this very simple way, you can easily use DeepSeek AI. You just have to give a simple prompt and they will answer you to your question. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.